Anyway, Note 10, Galaxy Note 10 news. There's a render that came out. I'm reading this on Android Police, and apparently it's close to the eventual product. It's from OnLeaks. This dude's usually pretty good, so shout out to OnLeaks. It's a CAD-based render of the Note 10. It looks very modern. It looks like a block. It looks kind of cool. Of course, we've seen this render before. The pinhole camera in the center of the screen, unlike the hole punch on the S10, S10 Plus. But what's interesting to me here, that apparently on the CAD, there's no sight of the Bixby button. Is Samsung ready to bail on the Bixby button? I don't know if they are because they've been holding on to this thing for long enough. But I think it would be a pleasant surprise to me if they just give up on that button, man. I'm sick of that button. Sick of it. And yeah, you map it, this and that. Let's just get rid of it. Let's stop pretending. You know, unless you're going to give me a button that's just completely configurable out of the gate, you're just like, hey, map this button to anything, and you almost encourage me to do it. I just don't want that button there in its current formula because people tell me, oh, you can get this third-party app to do this and that, or you can go into the Bixby settings. I don't even want to see it in the setup screen. I don't even want to see it in the screen where I click skip. I don't use it. Stop forcing it on me. You know there's Bixby fans out there. There's people that are like, yeah, but with Bixby, I can get my phone to do system-level stuff, which Assistant can't do because it's integrated. So I could be like, hey, Bixby, turn on the flashlight or whatever, something like that. Look, the promise, fantastic. The idea, like if it could really work, sure. But I used it all, and I never reached for it, and it never happens, and it's just not going to happen for me. So that's my vote, and I'm entitled to a vote, I hope. So are you. So is everyone. So the Bixby button, absent on this particular render, meaning there's a chance, if this is to be believed, then of course, like I said previously, this OnLeaks guy has a good track record. Maybe the end of the Bixby button is near. If you look at the back of the device, it's a triple camera layout similar to, well, I mean, everything's triple camera now in the flagship territory, so it looks like a P30 Pro, something along those lines. Hardly any bezel on there at all. And then something some people may be upset about, no headphone jack represented either on there. And Samsung, they've resisted the extinction of the headphone jack, and they've gotten a lot of props for it. But maybe they're putting it to bed as well. Maybe it's not only the Bixby button that gets buried here, but the headphone jack as well. Because if Samsung gives up on it, man, I say that's a wrap. That's a wrap on the headphone jack, as far as I can tell. So anyhow, that's a quick little look at the potential Note 10. I think it'll be a satisfactory device. Remember the previous version was the most satisfying device in America on the last episode? Mm-hmm. People just like the Note series. They're just big fans of the Note series. So anyway, what about you? Is the Note, you don't care about the Note?
No, I've never used a Note.
You don't care about the Note?
I'll give it a shot.
No, you don't even like a big phone, Will. You got the Pixel small version.
Yeah.
Why? Explain it. Explain yourself.
It's more for usability. I don't really consume media on my phone. So it's pretty much, for chatting and not consuming media.
What kind of stuff you chatting about, Will?